Good morning, distinguished college, fellow designer, and esteemed guests. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Siti Nur Anissa, representing IDEA, the Indonesian Visual Communication Design Professionals Associations. It is a great honor to be here with you today, sharing insights on how design can serve not only expressions but also a reflective narrative, recording, responding, and articulating the creative process. Today, we gather to reflect upon design not merely as a practice of creating visual artifacts, but as a way of thinking, remembering, and engaging with culture through the very process of making. In response to this, the International Forum on Spice Routes, IFSR 2025, introduced a new category alongside the call for paper, the call for artworks. Yayasan Negeri Rempah, in collaboration with IDEA, organized a workshop titled Design as Reflective Narrative. Participants were invited to submit artworks as critical responses to the prevailing narrative and to create reflective space for designers, not only to see spices as symbols of past glory, but also to uncover the unseen layers. The process encouraged participants to deconstruct meaning, recompose them through visual media, and articulate them as creative narrative, a journey of understanding, documenting how designers respond to context, medium, and ideas. Acknowledge design as a space for multiple perspectives on history and culture. Understanding design as a medium to reconstruct narrative beyond romanticizations. Design as a living record, one that connects individual reflections with collective memories. Design should not be seen only as the pursuit of form or beauty. It's also narrative. It compels us to ask, what have I created? Why does this exist? And how has the process shaped me as its maker? Through these questions, design becomes a reflective journey, documenting context, medium, and ideas, while simultaneously transforming the awareness of the designer. Within non-traditional research outcome, or we can call it NTRO, process hold the same weight as product. Documentations, notes, sketches, images, or video provide evidence of how ideas evolve. Choices of material, color, and technique are never neutral. They themselves carry meaning, shaping the narrative as much as the final form. NTRO regards creative work as a living knowledge. The work is not only an artifact, but also a research text. Its process as important as its outcome. Through transparency of making, audience can follow decisions, revisions, even uncertainties. Every sketch, every adjustment become part of cultural memory, showing that meaning is not confined to the final objects, but embedded throughout the process of creations. This approach demands that designers engage with context from the very beginning, its history, culture, and chosen medium. Awareness shifts the perspective of the medium from being a mere tool of transmissions to being part of the message itself. So the medium is the message. In the context of spice roots, for example, the choices of material, color, or technique are not only aesthetic, but symbolic, reflecting historical narrative, conflicts, or cultural values. By recognizing the unity of process, medium, and message, designers learn to see their artworks as mirror of their own journey. The strength of an artwork lies not only in its final form, but in how the process transforms the designer's perspective, sensitivity, and understanding of the context. These all documentations become a space to revisit each step, recognizing choices made or ignored, and reflect on how this experience shaped creativity and identity. A design is never silent, it is always in dialogue. It speaks with its creator, it speaks with the audience, and it speaks with its cultural context. Within NTRO, this dialogue is visible because the process is recorded. A design becomes alive when it's not only seen but also felt and understood as a bridge between past, present, and the future. NTRO invites us to ask reflective questions. Am I merely repeating symbols or engaging with deeper meanings? Do I simple make or do I also experience the creations? How does the medium itself shape the message? And most importantly, how can the record of process create value for myself, for my community, and for the cultural disclosure? An artwork is not a silent object. It engages in dialogue with its creator and with its audience. The existence is not isolated but connected with other artworks, forming networks of meaning aligned with its visions. However personal the process, the artwork resonates within a collective ecosystem of ideas. Reflective forums like this allow artworks to become meeting points between individual experiences and shared narratives. This awareness makes artworks not only representations of the past, but valuable contribution to the present and futures. Designers, through such process, do not merely produce visual outputs, they generate new ideas for themselves as creators, for the communities woven into the Spice Road narrative, and for the wider cultural conservations. When framed through NTRO, design generates layered value. For the self, it nurtures identity and awareness. And for the communities, it enriches narratives beyond myth. For society, it contributes to cultural discourses with both evidence and meaning. Now, design then is not only expressions, but inquiry and intellectual cultural contributions grounded in creative process. A living and dynamic artwork is not only to be seen, but to be felt and responded to a meeting point between personal experience and shared sensibility, making it more than a final outcome. The process continues in the mind and the heart of those who encounter it, extending the journey beyond the moment of creations. If an artwork can transform, to what extent does the process of creation transform as well? Ladies and gentlemen, design is not only what we produce, it is how we reflect, how we record, and how we transform through the making. A work that lives is one that invites us not only to see, but to feel and to respond. If a work can transform meaning across time, to what extent does the act of creation transform us as its makers? This is the enduring contributions of NCRO to let design speak not only as a finished form, but as reflective knowledge for generations to come. Thank you.